And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Reader not opening. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do if you're having this problem is to close background processes and give Adobe a fresh start. So many processes continue to run in the background even after we close the program, and it means that closing and reopening Adobe Acrobat without closing these processes won't count as a fresh start. Therefore, you must close all associated processes in the task manager before closing the main program and reopening it. So just follow the steps right here for you to be able to do that. So first, right click onto the Windows Start button and select Task Manager and just find processes related to Adobe Acrobat. And to end the process, just right click on it and select End Task. So just close all relevant tasks done or one by one and then close the main program. So once everything is closed, open the PDF again using the Adobe Acrobat. And if the issue is not resolved, just start implementing the following fixes, and the next one is to run Adobe Acrobat as administrator. So whenever you run an app as administrator, it has full access to all files of your operating system that would otherwise be restricted. As such, the first fix you should try is to run Adobe Acrobat Reader as administrator. So if Windows is stopping Adobe from opening PDF files due to missing or corrupted permissions, running it as administrator will fix the issue. So you can run Adobe Acrobat as administrator by simply left clicking on the icon and tapping run as administrator. So if the software is working well now and reopening PDFs normally, just consider making this the default for Adobe Acrobat and follow the instructions right here to configure Adobe as ad administrator by default. So first, right click on the Adobe shortcut and go to the Properties tab and navigate to the Shortcut tab in the Properties window. So tap onto the Advanced section and check the box for Run as Administrator and hit the OK button. And so that's it for the second method. And the last method that we have is to run Adobe Acrobat in compatibility mode. So with the Windows compatibility mode, older versions of Windows can be used as operating systems. So there might be some programs that work better with an older version of Windows than an updated one. So if you are using an Adobe version that is not compatible with the current version of Windows, run it in compatibility mode. And to do so, just follow the steps right here. So right click onto the Adobe Acrobat shortcut and go to the properties again and navigate to the compatibility tab in the properties window, which is right here as shown in the photo, and just check the box for the compatibility mode and choose any other older versions from the available options and tap on to apply and hit the OK button. So if the compatibility were the problem, Adobe would begin opening PDF as usual. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having with your Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.